Well, maybe.
You want
Are the
Soldier?
Reaper changes live yet?
Yeah. No, we should try the Reaper.
I can switch too if we need. You want
He's
Lucio.
basically just got more heals now, right?
Yeah, I think so. I don't think there's really anything else.
Alright, I'm gonna go high ground.
We got Reaper behind it. I think
James.
it's the same group.
James.
Left.
Come over here with me,
Go
James.
left high ground.
Okay, let me know when your cooldown's ready.
Guys, you have no
ready.
heals by you at the moment, so be careful.
Let's go, Jake.
Okay, going high. Ready? 1, 2,
we gotta
3.
pull up because we got Reaper behind.
Alright, let's just go inside, James. Follow me downstairs.
Reaper's asleep in the back.
James, keep coming around. Keep coming around.
Right next to you.
Oh, I gotta get the health pack.
Reaper got me in the back, guys.
Vital signs normalized.
Should have killed him. Nothing to this long.
I put him to sleep. You guys just...
Oh no, I fell down the stairs.
You have no heals at the moment, just so you know.
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a DPS and tanks.
Just getting shot in the back.
This will protect us.
This is
Reaper, Reaper,
Maybe
Reaper.
do we want like a McCree?
I'm dead.
Stun him?
Yeah, I think we need to go ahead and die.
we need to just die.
Jump off the map.
Yeah, I'm jumping off. Yeah.
Onward and upward.
Let's see. Yeah, I'm gonna switch because I don't think Winston's good for their comp. James used to D.Va, I think.
Justice will be done.
Oh, I thought you jumped off the map. Oh, did you?
I did.
Okay, thanks.
Come out and face me.
Emran, I might have you switch to Lucio.
Okay.
I don't know. Let's see. Where are you on your ult?
So I think this is that same
Just
group. They're
Switch
going
Lucio now.
Just killed my.
The reason you jumped off, so they're just going back to spawn?
Closer.
Yeah, but then you have to wait 10 seconds for the respawn.
It's okay.
I'm here.
All right.
What are we waiting for here?
We were waiting
I'm
for our
ready.
Lucio, but we're ready to go. All right. Reaper, stay close to me. Lucio, speed us. Wait for that to die. Wait for that to die. All right, everyone back up. Lucio, speed us out. Lucio, speed us out.
We lost our Ash.
I got headshot.
Okay, that was good. All right. Are you ready, Ty? Where are you?
Okay.
I'm walking out of the spawn door.
All right, you guys ready? We're
Ready.
gonna Lucio speed in. 3, 2, 1. Lucio.
Reaper. Gosh, die when I shoot.
Lucio, speed. Okay, go to the point. Go to the point.
Mercy one up top. Nope, she's back up again.
Mercy up top. Mercy up top.
Yep, we got this. We're okay. I have Earth Shatter. Good job.
Alright, we got it.
All right, let's go high ground.
I'm on payload right now.
Okay.
Scabby, can you come with me?
I have a Diva already.
I'm coming.
Okay, James, we're gonna combo.
Like, going sightline on you.
Okay.
Speed me, speed me. All right,
He's dead.
I need health. All right, ready? You guys, I'm gonna drop down. Now, Earth Shatter.
Got Mercy. Warriors behind us.
Let's forget the point.
Yep. Go to the Orisa. James, turn around. James, go to the Orisa.
Turret.
Got the turret.
They have a Their Reaper changed to Hanzo.
Alright, I'm gonna
Let's
go up
let's
behind.
push in on them on this one. I've got an ult to combo with Jake to charge in.
I don't have I don't have my ult.
No, I have my ult. You go in and swing. We push in fast.
Okay, I'm ready.
Okay,
Wait,
let's
back
in.
up. Wait, back up. Don't fight into that
I'm
Orisa.
down. I'm down. I got headshot up above.
Ty, back
Me
up.
too. Both supports are down.
I picked their dwarf.
Hanzo's above you.
It's pointless. Keep. Top me off.
Alright, we're coming.
You don't have any heals, guys.
Speed.
Thank you.
All right, John, are you ready?
Yeah, I think I'm gonna ult Jason.
Lucio.
And he can do his ult.
Lucio, come with me. Oh, okay.
I have
Never
a
mind.
Bob too.
All right, ready? Let's go.
Yep, let's push in.
Alright, I'm right here.
Let's do it now.
Behind our shield.
Great. Good job.
Way to be aggressive.
I have Earth Shatter. Can we combo? Nope, James already used.
Yeah, I used
Oh,
them.
BS. Hanzo's in that side room.
I still have a Bob ready.
Okay, I'm gonna use an Earth Shatter soon.
Urshat or Bob.
Earth Shatter.
Oh, they said Mercy's on her own.
I can't see you
Mercy's
guys
on the
in this
point.
angle.
I can't shoot her.
Got her.
Dang, got me.
I am on fire! Come here and get burned.
Reloading.
Oh, fetch. Vayne, back out.
Yep, fall back, full retreat.
Oh, dang it.
All right.
Still kicking.
Okay, so I think we only have one fight.
Let's go
You don't
through
have
the
to
through the doors on the left.
No,
Okay.
Let's go around them.
Yeah, let's go ahead.
we gotta
We
go
can just
fast then.
We can
'cause
get there faster.
Let's go.
Okay, stick
Vita's
with me.
ready now.
We ended up behind him.
No heal on Orisa.
Oh, dang
Hanzo
it.
asleep.
Point. Shield up. I got the doorway.
Spawn camp, yep.
Good job.
Nice.
Good job, guys.
That side door was awesome.
Yeah, they were not ready for us to come from behind their Orisa shield right there.
Nope.
Possibly top left. I'm gonna go get on the top left and then I'll fall back down to you.
I think another good spot for you is up here, like behind me up
I'll
top.
join you up here, Ty.
Do not let them through.
Diva's low. Just getting healed though.
Reloading.
They're going right.
Junkrat's
Someone's
up top.
going left.
You guys fall down, and I can protect you.
I got dove by the Junkrat and the Diva.
Diva's mini now.
Okay, come to the point. Everyone come to the point.
Barrier activated.
Oh, crap.
Oh, Ryan.
Rhino heal.
Nice anti.
I'm down and back.
Diva dove both the supports.
I need a lot of health.
Oh,
Both
I'm
supports
also
are down.
Where you are.
The Diva dove us.
Diva.
Can you get around the corner by chance, or you're totally?
No. I'm dead.
Maybe we should get a Moira so that
I think we can still hold it, right? I held it forever.
I'm backing out.
You had
Alright, I'm
support.
gonna go.
That's
I'm gonna
okay.
go.
Go. Okay, now we gotta back up.
Do it. Let's do it.
Reloading.
Support me.
Well, no, there's.
They already had the point.
They already have the point.
Oh, that's good. Well, I got the Ryan. I was trying to finish off the Diva.
Don't worry, my friends. I have your shield.
Diva, fly to me, Diva.
Just getting a
There's
couple
a
quick
soldier in the left there.
shots in the back.
I've got you in my sights.
Right side, right?
One.
I'm dead.
I'm down.
It's-
That was 3
Everybody
I got me
regroup.
that was 3 ults. Yeah.
That's fine. We have time to still hold B. So
Yeah, that was a waste.
Problem is they're still.
This is not
Guys, you gotta
Like they're
regroup. Reaper,
moving
that
at
means
top.
you.
Yes,
Diva,
yes.
that means fall back.
I'm saving
we're fine.
Diva.
That was a waste of ult.
Diva's coming after mini Diva.
okay, ready? Wait for it.
Junkrat behind, Junkrat behind.
Oh no!
You guys, I'm gonna need support.
Got that Mercy. Here's a Bob on the point.
All right, that's it. No more ults. No more ults.
Yep, Junkrat's up top. He's one.
I need a top off.
Drop down behind. I got him.
Falling mountain. Can Reaper get help?
Fall back, tight. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Yeah, please don't get picked right now.
They're up top.
Yep. That's okay. Let them come.
You got their
Watch out.
soldier.
Watch out for the dives, right?
Be back soon though. Soldier got rezzed.
Oh, lost star.
I got pinned.
I can't see you, Jake.
Yeah, I got pinned. I'm dead.
I can't see any of you guys.
Oh, suck.
Yeah.
I have a
Don't-
trans. No? Should I use my trans?
I don't know. Can you hold?
No.
back into the fray.
Yeah, I'm using it.
No, sorry, we had it.
Yeah.
Well, I was gonna die.
It's okay.
Alright, let's get that Moira. James, let's go up top. Up top.
Okay.
She's one, she's one.
We've got
Right
3.
behind the...
There's a soldier
I got
up there
one of
too.
them.
Diva, Diva.
Diva behind.
I can't see you, Ty. Can you jump or move somewhere?
I got him, I got him, I got him.
Thank you.
Hear him.
Or do you even need healing?
There we go.
Junkrat in the back.
Junkrat behind.
Back. Dead.
Got him.
Alright, they're split up real good.
Nailed
What?
it.
Man, we need to get Emran's
I
ult
promise
up
I
real
can hit a shot
fast.
every once in a while.
Hey,
I have another Bob.
hey, John. Where possible, let
Yeah.
Emran top off, please.
Okay.
I'm 52 right now.
We're probably gonna need the Ana ult in this fight.
I've got a Diva ult is ready. As well.
I
They're
can combo with the
top right.
Reaper.
And they got a
They have a Bastion.
Okay, they have to come to us. Remember.
All right, they're pushing top left. Ah, the freaking.
Hey, contest. Contest it.
Nice.
I'm still holding it.
We took out most of them.
That was awesome, you guys. We pulled that off. That was amazing. And we have Transcendence and Earth Shatter.
Yeah.
Bastion went up there and set up, and I just stayed up there.
Nice bomb.
Wait for him to set up.
I threw that at you like an elastic effort, Jake.
Can't believe I survived that.
It was a difference maker for
All
sure.
right, they're coming from the left.
Alright, I'm gonna try to get up behind them.
Watch out,
Diva-
watch out for
Coming
that
up
Diva.
top on you guys.
She's already used her ult.
Just so you guys know, we can't see you for heals up top.
Yeah. They're stuck in the spot they're at.
Earth Shatter ready?
Huge ante.
That was huge.
Man, I didn't even get a piece of that. That's crazy.
That was.
Earth Shatter.
I think I hit all 6 of them. That was a good ult. That was a
Huge
good.
Earth Shatter, and I got like 5 of them with the anti-nade.
Yeah, and then the Reaper
Nice.
killed every single one of them.
Play of the game.
Oh, nice.
Can't
That
imagine
was
what they did.
defensive.
Oh, this.
Oh yeah, this one.
Because
Stay on the point, stay on the point. Good job. Nice, guys.